right, now that we do have power, we are ready to get back on the chicken pen and get that coop finished so we can get our chickens out here. This morning, Darren's actually out working on the backhoe because there's so much clearing to do that we want to do everywhere that he's been working on it every morning a little bit, just chipping away at it. Me and the girls are just getting ready here. We're gonna load some concrete in the Suburban, and we have the water trailer here, and we're gonna go pour some footers for the chicken coop. Talking? Excited, aren't you? Who's it? Oh, well, do you want to go with you guys? Let's go in the back. I'll watch it.
Okay. Okay, chicken coop time.
Yeah.
We got a couple materials to gather. Ellie's been getting most of them. I'm gonna bend some steel we had. I'm gonna bend these into some U shapes for sinking down into the cement, and then bolting into our 4x4s for the base of for the structure, main structure of the chicken coop. I think is the plan.
It's gonna work good. The ones that you can buy were way more expensive than just buying some concrete, and then we had these metal straps, so that's why we're making some.
Yeah. Perfect, but
pretty good.
Bottom has to be a little bit jagged in order to get them straight, but that doesn't matter. That's in the cement.
Yep.
Cool. Okay, just a couple more to do.
Good. Buckle in for a long, long drive.
Hey.
Oh, probably sore from that drive. Whoa!
Okay. Where are we putting the chicken pen at here? Or the chicken coop?
That's a great question.
That look about right?
Yeah. Okay.
Well,
Good job, sweetie.
Can I do it?
sure. Can you reach? Just watch those fingers.
I'm thinking that. I'm gonna measure this. This will 3 inches.
You got it 3 inches? Okay.
Okay.
I'll do it again because it's kind of wiggly.
Kind of wiggly. What we're gonna do is this. We're gonna take it, we're gonna push it all the way. We're gonna put it right in the dead center of that pole.
It's here?
Yep, it's right there. Beautiful. Just hold it there. Okay, you're good.
Can I let it go?
Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and put together some forms for the top of those holes. That way we can control the level of each of them. When we pour the cement, we can get that whole building nice and level based off the forms. And we can bring the cement up past the ground level. That way we don't rot the bottoms of our posts out. We got all the boxes done. Gonna carry them over.
Uh-oh, they tangled.
And then carry them over and get them laid out, huh?
I got it.
Yeah.
Okay, Mom. A pedal? Oh, I'll drag him, Maddie.
We all set up?
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Yeah, set.
Everyone ready to go?
Yeah. We are set up for the pour. We got all our little boxes in. Holes dug.
Dad,
and hopefully.
Good job.
Hopefully they're all in the right place, but however off they may or may not be, doesn't matter. It's where they're going.
Yeah.
It's where we're built.
We're built it fit, huh?
Yep. So fire up the generator and get. We don't have power out here yet, so we're gonna need to run the generator and mix up some cement.
Yeah.
First bag going in. You putting my knife in your pocket?
I don't think you can call that a knife, okay?
It cut, didn't it?
It's like a thick wood.
Beautiful. One more and we'll be ready to mix.
Need some more? Nice. You got more?
Come chuck them on in. Yeah. One more is gonna be perfect. Beautiful.
Good job, Maddie. I think that's it.
Yeah, girl. That look good?
We got a couple in. They look really good.
Okay, so we put an inch and a half in.
You give that to Daddy, Maddie?
Can I have that, sweetie? Yeah, you're so funny. Got all our cement anchors in. Chicken coop is started.
Yeah.
Officially.
It's gonna be fun to start seeing it go up in the air.
Yeah. Dirt work day is always a less fun day, but honestly though, with the ground, it was so wet from all that rain we've had that even the dirt work was fun this time.
Yeah, it went so easy.
Yep.
Get some posts in the ground. And we're gonna do a really fun design for the roof line. I think it's gonna be really cool.
Yeah. Spice things up a little bit on the chicken coop. Make it
Yeah.
a little bit fun. Okay.
Back out here, we let the concrete set for a day. Now we're ready to get back at it. The kids' handprints turned out so cute, but they're not going very deep.
No, they're gonna be under the posts anyway, so
There'll be more concrete spots to put handprints in, I'm sure.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's set some 4x4 posts in the air.
See how our brackets work?
Yeah, we got 7 of them to do.
Nice. I bet it's gonna go quick. Yeah.
Not a square and a level.
That's cool. I like that.
I'm getting sand in it for you.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sanding it for you.
That's so cool.
That's gonna be good for you. Mom, you can eat 9 cupcakes without getting a bellyache.
Whoa, is that because they're healthy cupcakes?
Like they're orange. 9 cupcakes without getting a bellyache. Mine are very good stuff. You know how usually when you make colorful cakes, like the.
One washer on one side, one washer on the other.
Okay, so I put one on right now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then I leave one.
Yeah.
And the bolt goes through my side first.
I have to do it. Yeah. Yeah.
It might not be big enough. We're gonna have to cut these suckers off. These are long.
I thought they were way too short. Let's start.
Getting the forms off.
They look so cool. They look really professional when we take the wood off.
They do look really good. Got a couple of these guys off already, huh? Can you knock the rest of the form off?
You hammer that one and that one. Knock it back. With this. Like, let me show you. Like this. See it's coming off from here. Can you get this side now?
Looks great. One side done. We got a couple mismatched 4x4s because we changed the design halfway through. So we bought all the materials and then we thought, you know what? We want to do something a little different. And we had a couple of these 4x4s that we ended up finding at one of our pallet spots. We scored a few 4x4s too. So, yeah.
Keep going.
Keep going. Is it shooting dirt out? Yeah, sometimes it gets in the drills when we work with them in the dirt, huh?
You tired out, Maddie?
Relaxing over here, huh? Okay, last pull.
It's kidding. Daddy, it keeps like pushing in.
Here, I'll hold it then. Can I hold it?
Put it down there.
You're getting it. The small side, you had it right the first time.
Actually, it's almost lunchtime.
I still can't get it out.
And then yep, go the other way. Beautiful. Getting her tight. Go as tight as you can, okay? Yeah.
You help me with the rope.
You're strong. I almost can't hold this side. Is that it?
Yeah.
Hey, you guys coming in?
I remember giving
Hard working girls, ready for some lunch.
Lunch and naps. Okay, time to do some thinking, girls.
they don't need to get around out. How much there? You know, it's right there.
Yep, that's 4 foot.
Okay, 4 foot. Okay.
Hold it at the bottom line.
That is. Perfect.
That looks like it's super new.
Oh, they're really good. How far are you from your edge?
Also, this one.
I'm gonna measure my foot, Dad. I'm gonna measure how tall I am.
How tall are you?
6.
You 6? Well, would you look at that? Almost all framed.
Yeah, the walls are, huh? Looks so good.
Yeah. Get started on the roof now. We got a couple of mismatched boards from a few different pallets. We've been like unique ones, 2x4s, innards and stuff in them. We're gonna use those for the roof because I miscalculated drastically on how many 2x4s I needed. We did change the roof design a little bit just to kind of make it a little more fun. We've seen a couple lately that have just been fun, and we thought, man, let's do something different for the chicken coop rather than just doing a straight flat roof.
It's gonna look cool.
Yeah.
Excited.
Yeah, me too. All right, well, I'm gonna get going on that then. I'm gonna start thinking and cutting. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Did you want this?
Right there.
I was gonna say, well, you're tall enough to pop that over from the ground.
You can come up here and help me check the level.
Feeling tall, honey?
Oh yeah.
Earth.
That's one roof.
Yep, we can take a sawzall and cut these off flush. Those look good.
So that's the back roof. Now he's gonna start cutting for the top roof.
Not exactly smooth.
It's a heavy one, Daddy. Let me hand it to him.
Hey. Okay, time to make some really nice blocks.
Yeah.
Nice tire chocks. That is a wrap on framing. Well, we got the rafters to put in, which I'm gonna put in this way.
Yeah.
But like I said, I miscalculated on how much wood I needed, so I need 4 more boards.
And you can see 4 more boards on the ground there, but those are really bad. We decided not to use them.
Yeah, they're just not nice enough. They're cracked and a little bit of rot on a couple of them. We just don't want to do that. Not for, you know, $15.
Yeah. It's gonna be here a long time.
Yep. We got the framing pretty much all done. A little bit of siding left. Still got quite a bit to do, but this is a really good start. It kind of gives us a visual of
what we were envisioning.
Yeah.
We'll have to get to the store and then we'll finish her up, huh?
Yep.
It
cool.
looks so cool.
Yeah, it does. I'm very, very happy with it. It's going to start coming together a lot too. Once we get the siding and the roof on, then you can really see it.
Yay!